Social Security increase update. Seniors are going to get more money under this new plan. I'll let you know what that plan is, who it affects. And today, $1,900 Social Security checks are going out. Today, April 24th. I'll let you know who is getting those checks. We'll take a look at this article right here. Here's how big Joe Biden's Social Security check is to the dollar. I'll give you a latest COLA update and some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. So, worried about a tiny 2025 COLA? This is the smallest one Social Security has ever paid. So, Social Security through the years has been as high as 14.3% during periods of rampant inflation, and this is going to be one of the lowest COLAs that we'll see. So it was 8.7% last year for 2023. This year, 3.2%. And looks like it may be even another low one next year. So we're not really seeing much of a COLA increase. Now, there could be a solution to this. So if we take a look, Social Security increase, seniors could get more money under new plan. Excuse me. So, Social Security recipients could see an increase in monthly benefits under a new proposal that would change how the yearly cost of living adjustment is calculated. So, Representative Ruben Gallego has introduced the Boosting Benefits and COLAs for Seniors Act in the House, and the bill requires the use of Consumer Price Index for Americans 62 years of age and older to set the yearly COLA change. Currently, COLA benefits are adjusted using the CPIW, which is the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners, but they want to change it to the CPIE. So COLA was first instituted in 1975 and is determined by data from the third quarter, July, August, September of each year. This year's COLA was 3.2%, less than half of the historic 8.2% recipients received last year. So, with the 3.2% that's going this year, it's an increase of $50 per month. So with this new bill, it will change the way that Social Security is given out, and it should be higher. What's said here from President of the retirees, saying the current COLA formula doesn't accurately account for the inflation seniors face, especially in healthcare. It's important that COLA reflects how inflation impacts seniors so that we can pay our bills and our monthly Social Security checks stay strong. So basically, under this bill, it wants to change it from the CPIW to the CPIE. We've heard this before. It's actually in a few different Social Security bills. It's in the Social Security 2100 Act. So this bill alone, although good, doesn't really give much deep detail. I've shown this in the past, an article showing exactly what the CPIE was compared to the CPIW. Sometimes it could be a 10% difference. Other times, the CPIW is actually higher. So it really all depends. So this as a standalone bill, I don't see it getting a vote and passing. I think it should probably, the changing to the CPIE could be part of a bigger bill. But more importantly, since the CPIW can sometimes be higher, if not even to the CPIE, there was a bill, I forgot the name of it, where it chose whichever one was higher. So if the CPIE was higher, it chose that. If the CPIW was higher, it would choose that for the COLA adjustment. So this bill, not the best if this is the only thing it's going to do. So I just want to let you know that. And then, interesting one here. Here's how big Joe Biden's Social Security check is to the dollar. So, President Biden's monthly Social Security check in 2023 was nearly 80% bigger than what the average retired worker brought home in March. So this is literally President Biden's Social Security check, like what he's getting on a monthly basis, which I feel like if you're over, he's getting $400,000 a year as a president, probably got a big nest egg. Does he really need this extra money? Well, I'm going to let you know exactly how much he's getting, because his taxes, I guess, have been released. And on the very first page of Biden's 1040, line 6A shows that the couple collected $64,254 in Social Security benefits in 2023, which works out to $5,354 per month. However, this figure doesn't tell the complete story of how much Joe and Jill Biden individually received. So Joe Biden brought home individually $42,842, or roughly $3,570 per month, while Jill Biden netted $21,412, or approximately $1,784 per month. So, if you were curious how much the president brings in, that is it. That's also based on his, I guess, how much he's paid into Social Security. He was a senator, I think, even before I was born. I think in the 80s, I think. And you having a really high salary. Now it's $174,000, but up until a point he became vice president and president. So he's made a good living on the books if you just count salary, not other book deals and other types of income. But yeah, looks like that's how much he's getting there. And then payments today, Wednesday, April 24th. So $1,900 Social Security payment. Are you one of the April 24th beneficiaries? So today, up to $1,900 checks officially going out today, and the last one of the month. So looks like if your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st, you'll get your payments today, which is the last Wednesday of the month. So yeah, and then I'll let you know the May schedule coming up soon. As soon as we find out what that is, I'll let you know as we get closer to May. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully cheer you up a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Belle. This is the tip of the day. I'm going to tell you the one thing that you should do. Whenever you feel down and you have no longer positivity, you have negativity, chase that negativity away. Be nice to the positivity because the negativity makes you feel wrong, bad, and doesn't make you feel good. Negativity, it means negative, bad. Positivity, good. It's positive, it's good. Negative, bad. That's what those words are from. Of course, everybody knows that. At least I know that. All of us should know that.
If you want to see the 6 changes to Social Security in 2024 and how there could be increases of up to $2,700 that you may not know about, you're going to want to click this video right over here, and I'll go over those details, give you some other important updates. So click that video now, and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.